Treasure Island Estate, Osengere is located at Ibadan, Osengere bus stop, Asejiri Road along Ibadan-Ife Expressway. It is about less than 10 minutes from Iwo Road. Treasure Island Estate, Osengere comes with so many prospects for first-time buyers, homeowners, real estate investors. A plot of land in the estate currently sells for 2.5 million naira for half plot and 4.5 million naira for full plot with a 1-year interest-free payment plan. Treasure Island Estate, Osengere is a completely dry land and free from flooding. It is directly and easily accessible from the main road. It is located in an already developed environment. The popular Coca-Cola depot in Ibadan is located next to this estate, while there are currently more than 10 other estate developments around this estate. These are the landmarks within this Treasure Island Estate, Osengere, Ibadan. Coca-Cola depot is the next neighbor to this estate. Nigerian Brewery is also located near to it. FRSC office, CAC Covenant of Mercy, Ibadan, that is Mercy Camp by Prophet Taiwo Ojo. El Oriental Hotel, Triple H is a popular hotel within this axis. Mercy Camp, Vintage Mall, Tulip Pharmacy and Supermarket. Ibadan Airport Junction is also located close to it. Divine Grace Event Center, Adegbayi Central Mosque, CAC Agbala Itura is also located near this estate. Remember, a plot of land you can own here within this estate for 2.5 million naira for the half plot and 4.5 million naira for the full plot. The title document covering this entire space is Certificate of Occupancy. You can own a plot here with an initial deposit of 1 million naira and then spread the balance conveniently for 12 whole months. With an initial deposit or a down payment of 1 million naira, a plot of land within this estate can entirely be yours, and then you pay the balance little by little every month for 12 whole months without any additional interest. There are also some other landmarks. The popular Comfort Life Mission International, that is Olorun Jiji, Jesus City by Pastor Odekunle Empaphras, is also located within this estate, very close to it, just about 7 minutes away from this estate. This axis has a lot of pilgrimages by the Christian faith believers, as well as the Muslim believers. This land could be used as a residential apartment. You can build residential houses, buildings within this estate. You can also build hotels, filling stations, supermarkets to attend to the needs of people within this area and the pilgrimages, people who come around during pilgrimages and services by this religion outfit. There is also a Catholic church hospital and a Catholic church parish close to this estate. St. Dominic Catholic Hospital is very close estate. Redemptorist community is also closer to this estate. So you can see that you are investing in an estate that has a future, that has a very high probability of return on investment and security. Damilac Investments Nigeria Limited is also located on this axis. T2G Emirates Palace, where activities are always bubbling within this palace, is also located within this estate. Egbeda local government area, that is the local government of this estate, is also located near to it. Medmino College, Ibadan. LTO Hotels. First Technical University, Ajoda campus is also close by. So you can choose to have these locations, you can choose to build in this location closer to all these landmarks and be part of the development within this estate. There is also Clarence House of Theology. FT Music Studio is also located close to it, where musicians, artists, gospel singers always have their recordings and is always busy and bubbling, which gives the area Treasure Island Estate, Osengere, Ibadan, a bubbling life. There are recreational centers as well, and there is also Osengere Water Corporation. There are also popular markets like Gbagi Market, Temidire Market, Ajimobi Car Park is also popular within these axis. The locals, the residents, the people who live in this area always enjoy stable power supply and constant security patrol from the police officers and police divisions very close to this location. Again, 2.5 million naira is the price for the currently for the half plot, while 4.5 million naira is the price for the price of full plot of land. You can start with an initial deposit of 1 million and then spread your balance conveniently for 1 whole year. The title document covering this estate is certificate of occupancy. So you will be at peace if you are investing in this estate. You have the opportunity of paying little by little for 12 whole months without additional charges. You can choose to buy for residential purpose or for specialized purpose like hotels and supermarkets and whatever your interest in investing. You can choose to buy and hold or buy and resell. Remember, again, here is a fantastic opportunity for prospective homeowners and real estate investors. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy now and wait to see the returns of what will happen within these estates. Call the number on your screen. We will be happy to take you around. Thank you. Ìgbàgbọ́ kọ́ máa tààrà wẹ́ẹ̀dì o.